Hi friends, welcome to MJB YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install Shotcut uh, video editing software. Okay, just open any of your browser. Okay, just go to Google. Google.com and type Shotcut video editor for Windows 10. Okay, and it will take you to shotcut.org. Go to the shotcut.org. Okay, and here we have to choose you can choose FastHub or GitHub. And in this video I'm choosing the Windows installer. Press Windows installer. Okay, it will start downloading and it will ask you to save. For the moment I am saving it in the desktop. Okay, for easy purpose I'm saving it on the desktop. Okay, it has download completed. Open the folder. Okay, and just double click on it. Say yes. And it will ask for license agreement. Just press agree. Then by default it will store in C program file shortcut. If you want to change, you can change it. For now I have kept the default. Press next. Then if you want to create a shortcut icon on the desktop, tick the create shortcut button. Just press install. It will start installing the shortcut setup. It will be very fast. It will take just like a couple of minutes. Okay, it has completed the shortcut setup has completed. Then close it. Okay, and then after that you can see the shortcut icon will appear on your desktop as we have saved it. Okay, then double click on it. Okay, this is the shortcut video editor software. We have learned in this video how to download and install the shortcut. Thank you very much for your time. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to MJB channel. Thank you very much guys. Bye for now.